Yep. This is really powdery, fluffy stuff. Because if this is all water, oh my God, we'd be struggling.
Yeah.
No.
Dude, look how deep it is.
I know. This is crazy.
I love it.
This is the most we've had since we've been here.
Yeah.
The old house we had more, but you know, this is definitely a new record for this new property.
Yeah.
Look at the sun. I just love how it pokes through the clouds.
Yeah. The ground's pretty frozen, so it seems like it's not interacting with the rocks too much.
Yeah, I mean, back in like late November, we were just plowing the rocks.
Yeah.
And now we've got a giant mess to clean up come spring. That's gonna be a lot of fun.
Oh yeah.
Wait. Boy, it feels like Siberia. All right. Look at that. We're now creating the Himalayas. Here's the Himalaya mountains of our property.
I could probably start a small business in the next 5 minutes and start plowing people's driveways. make 10, 15 bucks a driveway. Holy shit. It's so high that it's literally contacting underneath of the
Wow.
field. And that's not the plow doing that.
And it's only like 10 degrees outside.
We're literally plowing the snow without using the plow.
Yeah. Here.
How deep this is.
Yep.
Look at all this stuff.
I know, that stuff, I was just recording it. It was just flying off. I don't think you want to go down there. There's a lot of water down there.
I can't see very
It's
well.
hidden. It's all hidden below that snow. I'm telling you, I was mudding through there.
Be a nice little deer path.
Yeah. What we do, give it all you got, Furnace. Yeah. Good old train XE8. Whew, gotta do it.